Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech and day number 31 of Power BI DAX functions. We have already discussed 30 days of different DAX functions and in which we have discussed about different categories and their subcategories as well. And currently we are dealing with the sixth category, which is statistical DAX functions in Power BI. These statistical DAX functions are useful in data analytics and data science field. We are requesting you to cleanly watch without skipping this video so that you can understand if you're willing to join or move your career into data science or data analytics field from Power BI. So we have already discussed about average DAX function, average A DAX function, chi-square dot inverse function, distinct count function, and what is the difference between making the distinct count in Power BI and distinct DAX function. And today in this video we are going to discuss an other important DAX function, which is Confidence.Norm function. How this function is useful and how we are going to implement in our day-to-day life, we are going to discuss in detail in this video. We request not to skip your we are requesting you to not skip this video so that you will understand without missing any piece of information. If you're watching our channel for the first time, we have provided the 30 days of DAX functions playlist in description box, so you can go ahead and watch it. Let's start with the today's function. So I'm creating a new measure and I'm creating it as confidence norm is equal to confidence.norm. If I give, you can see the syntax alpha, comma standard deviation and size. It returns the confidence interval for a population mean using a normal distribution. Norm is nothing but the normal distribution of the data which is provided. To give more explanation, what is alpha? Alpha is nothing but the confidence level of the data which is used. The theoretical explanation is the significance level used to compute the confidence level. The significance level is nothing but the 100% into 1 minus alpha. Alpha is the nothing but the confidence level. So if you are giving 0.05, then the confidence level of that particular data will be 95%. And now, what is the standard deviation? Obviously, we will be knowing that from the childhood. Standard deviation is the data range and assumed to be known, and the sample size of the data. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the alpha, which is confidence level, as 0. Let's say I'm giving it as 0 to 98% of confidence level, and my standard deviation what I'm going to give is I'm going to give it as 10, and my sample size I'm going to give it as 2. I'm closing the bracket, hit enter. So you got the confidence norm value. I'm adding a card over here and putting the value over here. You can see my confidence dot normally distributed confidence value is 16.45. So this is how we are using the confidence.norm function in Power BI. If you have, hope you have understood this DAX function clearly. If you have any queries, please post your queries in our comment box. We'll happy to assist you. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.